Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discuss about in a topic. The topic is how to move up the wait list for Microsoft Chat GPT enhanced Bing. Chat GPT style search on Bing is not yet widely available, but Microsoft has a few suggestions for how you can get off the wait list and start playing around with the AI chatbot. Update 5 and 4 Microsoft has dropped the waitlist for its Bing AI chatbot on the web and Edge. Just log in with a Microsoft account to check it out. Microsoft made a big splash last week by unveiling a Chat GPT enhanced Bing. Its search site has long been the butt of jokes, with Google dominating the space, but people took notice of this new flavor of web search from Microsoft, which can do research for you as well as create stories, itineraries, menu, email, and more. The new features are the result of a collaboration between Microsoft and OpenAI, the creator of the controversial ChatGPT services, which may result in some real competition for Google. The feature is not available to all web users yet, but you can sign up for the waiting list to test it as shown below. But the list is quite long. Microsoft Corporate Vice President Yusuf Mehdi recently tweeted that millions have joined the waitlist and outlined the roll rollout process. This tweet is currently available. It might be loading or has been removed. For now, you need to join a waitlist to try out the Microsoft Bing ChatGPT integration. Head to this website, log in with your Microsoft account, and you are on the list. After that, you will see an option to get faster access. Microsoft has a few suggestions for how best to move up the list. Here are the steps which the utility download on the faster access page automates that Microsoft says will get you the new features access. Make Edge your default browse. It runs on Windows obviously, but also macOS and Linux. Make Bing your default search engine. Make MSN your default homepage. Pinbig.com the taskbar. And Microsoft recommended sites to favorites. Create a desktop shortcut for Microsoft Edge. Download the Bing app of your mobile phone. macOS user of course cannot get those Windows default, but when I tried the fast access link on a MacBook, it took me to the Bing wallpapers so that may speed up access. And in Firefox, it added the Bing extension to that alternative browser. Apple user can also install the mobile app on their iPhone. If you have If you have paid attention to the announcements from Microsoft, you know that the new AI chat and text generations capabilities are also coming to the Edge web browser, which is available for Linux and macOS as well as for Windows. Remember, the new AI features will be built into Edge as well as available on the Bing website and mobile app. As with Windows, there an Edge Insider program that gives user a taste of new features coming to future variant of the software. I thought installing the preview build would get me the new AI search, but my waiting list status was the same in all three preview build of the browser. With this, we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.